Hey guys, I know we kind of got a rough start this week, and I understand the confusion, and I'm glad that those of you who've decided to stick around are still with us. And so, just to make sure that everybody's clear and on the same page, I wanted to sort of show you the best way to approach the class. So when you're on the TNeCampus homepage, you're going to click on our class, and from there, you want to make sure that you complete the student participation survey. The TNeCampus people, not me, but the, administrators or whatever, they need that completed. They will drop people after February the 1st who haven't completed it, so please do that. From there, click up here on content, and it's going to take you to this lovely table of contents. The overview, if you click that, then you can read about our expectations and hear me talk. And then module 1 is where we will start officially this week. So you need to try to get this book as soon as you possibly can. I know that some of you have said that finances are an issue right now. If you know some of the other people in the class, maybe you could share the book. I don't know, other than that, I don't have any suggestions, but it is absolutely essential for your success in the class. You absolutely have to have the book. We will use it almost every single week, and definitely starting this week, next week, you will need it. So go ahead and get that. And then scroll down here. You want to check out the syllabus for sure. This is the textbook info. And then down here is the information for assignments for Module 1. I've started changing due dates to push everything back a week. I think I've gotten up through the first 7 modules. So, if there's any confusion about due dates, I'll try to clear that up later. But that's where we are. We're in Module 1, getting started. Here are the activities and assessments, and then next week we'll start with Module 2. So please do send me an email, or click on the discussions, or you can do an email here, or you can send one to my University of Memphis email, and let me know if you have any questions. So I hope that everything's going well, and I look forward to getting started with you soon.